following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 343 pounds, Lince Dorado.
This is it.
Gran
This is the match we've all been waiting for.
And the electricity level in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt.
And their opponents, at a combined weight of 303 pounds, Sam and the Steiner Brothers.
Guys, this match is sure to not disappoint, especially considering who's involved here tonight.
You're absolutely right, Michael. This match will be one we'll be talking about for a long time to come.
Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
Ooh, what impact. Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Boom! What a stomp.
Good grief.
You gotta believe this one's over. He's starting to feel it here. So many variables for him to take into account here in this tornado tag match.
Well, this certainly escalated in a hurry. I don't think any of us expected to see him fall behind so quickly.
Oh, nasty impact. Nail it.
He wants no part of the outside. Boom, what impact. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Now the old vicious head crank.
Ooh, right to the face.
He's not looking good here. He needs to create some space for himself if he wants to be successful here in this tornado tag team match.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
Yeah, I'm sure he saw things going differently for him here tonight, but that clearly isn't the case, unfortunately for him.
Face buster! Boom! The end may be near, folks. This might be the end of the line for him here in this tornado tag team match.
I'm not used to seeing this.
There's no way to sugarcoat this one. He's getting absolutely destroyed right now.
Drop down.
Oh, flying forearm. That'll turn your lights out.
Drop kick.
Oh, great height.
Ooh, what impact. He's looking a little weary here. It appears his opponent has his number right now.
You can learn a lot about a guy in a match like this, and what I've learned so far here tonight is that there is absolutely no quit in him.
Boom!
Hooked up.
Oh, man, what a driver! Dodges that one. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
He's teetering on the edge here.
Look at this!
Strong kick.
My goodness.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
Quick thinking to avoid that one. No, he reverses it. What a strike. Back now inside the ring. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. suplex. Drop down. Leapfrog.
Man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
He's in a very bad way here, guys. This is clearly not the same competitor who started this match in such great shape. He has got to fight back. Stump pull and leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
Now that got those shoulders on the mat.
Oh, nasty impact.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Stop in the leg.
Just nasty.
This is going to be big, one way or another.
Gran Metalik can't be feeling good right now.
He may very well be on Dream Street right now, guys.
Guys, I don't think he possesses the ruthlessness needed to be successful outside of the ring, which really begs the question why he's been out there so much. Boy, at this point, he's going to need to have some magic up his sleeve if he wants to get back in this match.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Uh-oh. What a hurricanrana. There's the pin. 2. Barely at 2.5.
Can you believe this?
What a drop kick right to the back. Vertical suplex. Nice. Lince Dorado may have it.
Oh, that was pretty.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Submission time. Is he done? No, he releases the hold.
What in the world is he thinking? Does he not want to win?
Slam with authority.
Not again. Wow.
One of these competitors is eventually going to have to gain the upper hand, right?
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
German suplex.
And Lince Dorado slips out of harm's way.
Look at this. Bad spot for him to be in here, guys. He's got to do something to get back in this thing.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's lining him up.
Lands this, and he is done.
Harsh impact.
Straight down the apron to the point of the elbow, right in the nose.
Jeez.
Here he goes. There may be no getting out of this. The single leg Boston Crab.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. Hopefully Gran Metalik can recover.
Here it comes. He's got it. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
Man.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
Oh man, can Gran Metalik recover from this?
Vicious knee.
Too quick for him there.
And Gran Metalik slips out of harm's way.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
What's this?
What a driver. A striking blow. He goes for the cover. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
It's not over yet.
Uh-oh.
Watch out.
Big slam. Beautiful technique. He gets it with a reversal.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Loves to fly.
but he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured.
He might have it. Nasty! The hardest part of the ring. Boom! Samoan driver. Can he finish him off here? Let me tell you, the human body.
The pinfall and the victory.
Here are your winners, Lince and Gran Metalik, the Luchadors.
Nice teamwork by these two here tonight.
When you put these two together, victory is really the only plausible outcome.
You got that right, partner. Again, huge win here tonight.